Hello everyone, I Satish Kumar, lecturer in English in Surya School, Mahendragarh. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on notice for a cultural evening to collect funds for slum children. Okay, in my previous video I taught you how to write a notice for NCC camp. Now I am going to tell you how to write a notice for a cultural evening to collect funds for slum children. To understand this in a better way, there is a question. Look at the board. You are Raman, head boy of ABC Senior Secondary School. Okay, Mahendragarh. Your school is going to organize a cultural evening in order to collect funds for the slum children. Okay, prepare a notice for it. Okay, first of all you should read the question in a proper way, and after that you should write notice according to the structure of the notice writing. Okay, we know very well that we should start notice from the name of the school. In this question, name of the school is ABC Senior Secondary School. We should mention name of the school in capital with black pen. ABC Senior Secondary School, Mahendragarh. Okay, in capital with black pen. After that we should mention date. Today is 23rd July 2020. Always try to write the same date on which you are going to give your exam. Okay, otherwise you should write the date which is given in the question. After that you should leave one line between date and word notice. You should mention word notice in capital with black pen. After that you should leave one line between word notice and title. What is the title of this question? Your school is going to organize a cultural evening. That is the title. A cultural evening. Okay, you should mention title in capital with black pen. After that you should leave one line between title and first line of the content. You should start content in this way. It is hereby declared that ABC Senior Secondary School is going to organize a cultural program, a cultural evening in order to collect funds for the slum children. For the slum children as per the details given below. After that you mention colon, and after that you should leave one line. Time, cultural evening, that's why you should mention time of evening in that way, 5 p.m. onwards. Date 27th July 2020. Venue school campus. When you are going to collect funds for slum children or any affected people like flood affected people, then you should mention one more point: entry fee. Entry fee 50 rupees per student. After that you should leave one line. The presence of every student is compulsory. Okay. After that you should leave one line and you should mention the signature of the writer. Who is the writer of this notice? Raman. First letter of signature should be in capital, remaining part of signature should be in small form. After that you should mention designation. Head boy. What is the designation of Raman? Head boy. And after that you should make a box. Okay. When you will write notice, then you will follow all the rules regarding notice writing. According to the structure of notice writing, first of all we should mention name of the institute, name of the school. We always try to mention name of the school according to the question. In this question, name of the school is ABC Senior Secondary School, Mahendragarh. Okay, in capital with black pen. Always try to write the same date on which you are going to write notice. Otherwise you should mention the date which is given in the question. In this question there is no date is given, that's why I have written the date on which I am going to write. Okay. After that you should leave one line between date and word notice. You should mention word notice in capital with black pen. After that you should leave one line between word notice and title. Always try to mention title according to the question. In this question the title is a cultural evening, that's why we should mention in this notice for title a cultural evening in capital with black pen. After that we should start content. We always try to remember one thing, that when we write content of notice we should try to avoid first and second person. Okay. We should try to avoid the use of first and second person when we write the content of notice. Okay. After that you should mention signature. Okay. You should mention signature in this way. First letter of signature should be in capital, remaining part of signature should be in small form. After that you should mention designation. After just mention of designation you should make a box. Okay, if you want to get 3 out of 3, then you should follow all the rules which I have told you in my previous video about notice writing. That's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day. Okay.